The P0347 code indicates a camshaft position sensor a circuit low, bank 2 issue. This means the sensor on bank 2, typically the right side of V6 V8 engines, is sending a low voltage signal below 0.3 volts to the engine control module. The camshaft position sensor monitors the camshaft's rotation, crucial for timing ignition, fuel injection, and valve actuation. A low signal suggests poor conductivity. Here you can see a diagram of the cylinder head assembly, highlighting the camshaft position sensor and related components. This diagram shows the engine banks, with bank 2 on the right side, where the sensor issue occurs. Key terms like P0347 and bank 2 are critical for understanding this diagnostic code. Common symptoms of a P0347 code include engine misfire, rough idling, reduced engine power, potential stalling, and an illuminated check engine light. The bank 2 designation helps pinpoint the problem, differentiating it from bank 1 sensor issues. These symptoms directly impact the car's drivability and fuel efficiency, and left unfixed can cause more severe issues. First, locate the camshaft position sensor on bank 2. This is typically behind the cylinder head cover. Disconnect the sensor's electrical connector. Remove the old sensor, usually held in place by a bolt or two. Install the new sensor. Reconnect the electrical connector. Clear the P0347 code using your OBD2 scanner. Always ensure you are installing the correct sensor for bank 2 and your specific vehicle model. If replacing the sensor doesn't fix the issue, inspect the wiring harness thoroughly. Look for chafing, cuts, or damaged insulation. Use a multimeter to perform a voltage drop test to identify breaks in the wiring. Repair any damaged wires by splicing in new sections and using heat shrink tubing to protect the connections. Rerouting the harness may prevent future issues.